Hey, baseball fans, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing this method all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited gems in Baseball 9 using just your phone. No PC, no extra software, nothing complicated. Honestly, it sounded a little too good to be true. So I decided to put it to the test myself and see if it really works. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did step by step and show you the results straight from the diamond. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. Next, I grabbed my phone and opened the browser. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser works fine. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's linked to Baseball 9 Unlimited Gems. The page loaded right away, no weird pop-ups, no redirects, nothing sketchy. Honestly, I was a little surprised. It looked clean, simple, and totally normal. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked how many gems I wanted to add. For this test, I went all in and picked the maximum amount just to see what would really happen. After confirming, a few progress bars popped up showing each step being completed. Everything was easy to follow and clearly laid out, no confusion at all. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains it in simple terms and gives clear instructions, so it wasn't complicated. I had already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and check out the results. To see if it actually worked, I reopened Baseball 9 and checked my gems balance. And just like that, the extra gems were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around, nothing like that. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me off guard. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.